Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So let's see what we have. Correct. I know you all have understood that again. I am going to talk about types of retail store business worldwide. Correct. So there's a kind of a series which is going on from last few days. So today again I'll be having one different category where you understand what are the business opportunities are available in the world. One thing remember, you can, this is just a kind of idea where you may add your own understanding also. So let's see. So yes, we had a lot of category like food and beverages, fashion and accessories, hobbies and interests, religion and belief, home and living, unique experiential store, health and wellness, area specific, electronics and technology, sports and outdoor, and services. So many category I have completed already, and each category got a different kind of a store. Someone had got at least 100 types of stores, correct? 100 types of store, 50 types of stores, and on all the things. Okay, so let's see what I have today. So today's category is sports and outdoor. Because this is also a very big category and lot of improvements are going on, lot of businesses are happening, people are very much interested to go outside to have a gym, to have exercise and go for the long ride kind of thing and enjoy your day and all the thing with the family, correct? So there are a lot of things are happening. So I'll not give you the data what's going on, what's not, but let's understand one by one, which is very important for us. So first point is sporting goods stores. Anything, correct, related to sports. You can open a store, correct. Outdoor gear store. So whatever you need during traveling, walking on the road, either climbing, hiking, and all the thing, that time you need this kind of a store, and you can have a different material. Bike store. You cannot ignore. Very important. I'm not talking about the repairing work and all the thing. There's a lot of add-on you need for your bike, correct? Yes, you have understood. Then sports apparel store. Again, it's all about the sports category. Like if you are doing playing badminton, then what kind of a sports dress you should have. When you are playing a cricket, what kind of a apparels you should have. Then fitness equipment store. This is one of the biggest thing, and yes, a lot of investment needed for that because a lot of machine will be there, which will support to your body to grow. You can show your muscles and all the things, correct? And then yes, yoga store. So in India, this was very common. Now throughout the world, it's common. Everybody is liking yoga science. Remember, I am saying yoga science. Yoga is a science. Yes, please understand. Surfing store, campaigning, hiking store, hunting, fishing store, correct. Then horseback riding store, correct. Water sports, winter sport, then team sports store, golf store, running, jogging store, climbing store, archery store, cycling store, fitness tracking store, outdoor adventure store. So there are a lot of things. Even I have more number of store. I'll share you. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कि जो खेल से संबंधित या फिर बाहरी वातावरण से संबंधित क्या-क्या हम शॉप ओपन कर सकते हैं, करेक्ट। उसमें आपका बहुत सारा ये मैंने बताया, जैसे खेल से संबंधित कुछ भी सामान हो सकता है, और जब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो आपको बहुत सारा सामान का जरूरत हो सकता है। बाइक टू व्हीलर से संबंधित यू नीड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। देन कपड़े, कैसे कपड़े आप पहनते हैं किसी को किसी स्पोर्ट्स करने में, जैसे स्विमिंग के लिए डिफरेंट हो सकता है, क्रिकेट के लिए डिफरेंट हो सकता है, बैडमिंटन के लिए डिफरेंट हो सकता है, करेक्ट। देन फिटनेस इक्विपमेंट स्टोर, तो जब आप जिम जाते हैं तो बहुत डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रकार की मशीनें चाहिए होती हैं, वो कैसा होगा। yoga store, then campaigning, hunting, then horseback riding so much. Means it's like equestrian, means when you're riding on a horse, so what are the support system you need, correct? So water sport store. पानी में जब आप खेलते हैं या उससे संबंधित चीजें तो कि बहुत सारी चीजों का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है। करेक्ट। विंटर स्पोर्ट स्टोर, तो जब आप आइस स्केटिंग करते हैं, बर्फ पे चलते हैं या बर्फ के वातावरण को आप एंजॉय करते हैं, तो उस समय क्या क्या चीजें आपको चाहिए। टीम स्पोर्ट्स, गोल्फ स्टोर, रनिंग, क्लाइंबिंग, आर्चरी, वो धनुष बाण जैसा, फिर साइकिलिंग, फिटनेस एंड आउटडोर एडवेंचर स्टोर। तो इन सब बारे में हमने बात किया। चलिए आगे देखते हैं क्या है। So next we have adventure travel store. So whenever you are, you see when you are very close to nature and when you are very strong from your mind, you will love to have this adventure travel store, and a lot of people are liking. Trust me. Correct. Then outdoor gear rental store, sports medicine store, athlete training store, outdoor education store, wilderness survival store, outdoor recreation store, sports equipment rental store, adventure sports, extreme sports store, correct? Triathlon store, marathon store, running shoe store, fitness apparel store, outdoor apparel store, campaigning gear store, backpacking store, hiking store, outdoor cooking store, grilling store. So hope you are understanding what I'm talking. Hi, yes, I'm not giving a lot of detailing, otherwise my video size will become very big. If you need any information related to any of this store, I can make a video and I can share to you. But this is also not an easy task because I have to work on. So अभी हमने बात किया और भी स्टोर के बारे में जो कि एडवेंचर हो सकता है, आउटडोर हो सकता है, फिर हाइकिंग हो सकता है, बैकपैकिंग हो सकता है, रनिंग शूज स्टोर हो सकता है, करेक्ट। और आपका एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट हो सकता है, फिर ट्रायथलॉन स्टोर हो सकता है, मैराथन स्टोर हो सकता है। तो ये जितने भी स्टोर मैं बता रहा हूँ, आप इसके ऑनलाइन बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप फिजिकल स्टोर रखें, ऑनलाइन बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं। Then yes, again, something very important we cannot forget, BBQ store. Related to your outdoor category only, correct? You enjoy actually. uh, Outdoor furniture store, patio, like outdoor activities like dining, relaxing, and all the things. For that, you need a lot of material, you have a very good lawn and you need a furniture and all the things for them. Garden store, lawn care store, so pool store, hot tub store, spa store, outdoor lighting store, landscape design store, outdoor decor store, garden decor store, plant store, correct? Flower arranging store, florist store, greenhouse store, nursery store, garden center store, outdoor living store, backyard oasis store. सो अगेन हम लोगों ने बात की कि और क्या क्या स्टोर हो सकते हैं, तो अभी तक मैंने टोटल 60 टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोर आपको बताए हैं। अच्छा, प्लीज रिमेंबर वट एवर द 60 स्टोर आई सेड, यू मे हैव वन काइंड ऑफ अ मॉल फॉर दिस, करेक्ट? You can select 2 or 3 category that you can run the business. Like, just understand related to plant and nursery. So you can have a plant store, flower arranging store, florist store all together. Or you can have a garden store, or lawn care store, or pool store. These are 3 category you can have together. So this is left to you, how much you are investing and how much you are comfortable with the business. So a lot of things you can take care of yourself. Okay. So let's see. So this is all about from my side today. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel and share this video with someone else also who's looking for the business ideas. Guys, remember again, whenever you are doing a business, anybody can tell you the bigger concept, the bigger variables. But my request, whenever you are doing a business, please try out yourself for the 1 month, to work for that, go to that particular business place and work for them. So you will get to know what kind of things are going on, isn't it? See, suppose you have selected, I'll have plant store, nursery, or garden, repairing store and all the things. So you must go to nursery and see what are the problem they are facing, correct? It's not only about investment, not only about the manpower, not only about the space, not only about the social media gathering and all the thing. There are a lot of things hidden. You must understand until unless you're not touching that part, you must not come for the business. Correct? Yes. Please understand. So this is also very much important. So hope you have understood what I said. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आप सभी लोग को धन्यवाद. एंड अगर आपको मेरी नॉलेज थोड़ी बहुत अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें या फिर आप इसको किसी को शेयर भी कर सकते हैं. एंड ये सबको ये अभी सीरीज खत्म नहीं हुई है और भी एक दो वीडियो अपलोड होगा. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.